So now let's talk about the new partner, which is in analytics, which is Copilot. Microsoft is integrating this Copilot, which is basically an AI assistant agent we can call in other terms. So it actually helps us to reduce our work and it can do our tasks. We just need to give an input to that with the natural language. Currently, it is only acceptable good working in English language. So we just need to learn this prompt engineering where we can just talk about what we need in simple English and we just inform him and it can do our work automatically. Like I said, so Copilot, it helps to reduce your work, right? For example, if you want to create a page and but you have the data set available, you can just ask them, then it can going to understand the data and then it is going to create you a new page. Or else if you have some doubts on creating a DAX calculation, which is actually a lot of problem for many Power BI developers, right? So in that case, they can just ask natural questions in Copilot and they will try to understand the data and then come up with the DAX queries. Most of the time it is going to be correct, but still this is an AI generated one. So you need to make sure that the calculation, the outcome of that is working perfectly as we are expecting to that. So every AI agent like ChatGPT or whatever you're going to use, it actually clearly says the information that this is an AI generated one. It can make mistakes because this is still learning on things what you are going as an input and what is returning at based on the language it has behind the scene, right? So if you're not sure about what is Copilot and what is also the large language model, I also have a topic about this, how the generative AI works and other stuff. You can also check out that in my channel.